Assalamu alaikum, this is Professor Muhammad Hassan Khan, and today we are going to start a series of a new course which is Information and Business Management. In this series, we have to cover almost 13 chapters, and each chapter contain very informative and knowledgeable things, and you going to learn a lot of new things in this chapter. And this chapter is very much important for the business management, or you can say that for the student of the business administration. So let's move toward the first slide, and first chapter of week 1 is the introduction to the business management and the management process. This is the first slide of this chapter, and I try to make the chapter very short and concise so that you can easily go through the chapter in a very quick way, and inshallah you're going to definitely learn a lot of new things in the chapter. So this is the first slide, and which says that what is the business management. Business management means, according to this definition, running a business in the best way, making plans, using resources, and guiding the people is known as the business management. Over here we are going to see that what keywords, or you can say that what important points are running a business in the best way. How we going to make plans using, we are first of all we're going to making plans. After making plans, we are going to use the resources. We are using the resources and guiding the people. So this is known as the business management. Business management is a combination of, you can say that, two words. First of all, which is the business, means that you are running any kind of business. Okay, you are just earning some profit on it. And management means that how you are running that business, what type of things are you can say that using, or you can say that what type of resources are there, and how you are managing that business by guiding the people. So this is the combination of two things. Business management means running a business in the best way, making plans, using resources, and guiding the people. Okay, what the goal mean? To say that achieve business success mean, for example, if anyone is running a business, so there is some certain amount of goals. So what goal mean? Every business have a simple and clear goal, which is achieve business success, make the profit. Also you can add make the profit. Okay, this is known as the business management. Next is importance of the business management. What is clear goals for the business? Second is good use of people, money, and tools. Third is strong teamwork. Fourth is better decision. Fifth is growth and success. Again, we can see over here importance. This thing is very much important. Good use of people. For example, if you're running a business, so if the people are good, money is properly utilizing, and tools means that the equipments, machinery that are using in making that business smoothly, and you can say that in the fast way. So the tools, money, people, and all these things are used in a good way. What are they? Good use. If there is not a good use of these things, so business cannot run in a very proper way. Okay, strong teamwork. Like if you have a people, but the people means that you going to have a strong teamwork. If there is no teamwork, like if people are working individually, so the business cannot be run smoothly, business cannot become strong. A fourth thing is better decision. If you have a strong teamwork, so definitely the better decision can be made, can be decided. Okay, and if this thing is done, so last thing is also definitely going to work properly. Growth and success, all these points, first, second, third, fourth, fifth point, are linked with each other. Clear goal for the business. If it is clear, there's a clear goal. So second point is like good use of people. You have clear goals, and then you use the people, money, and tools. Then what are you going to do? You're making a strong teamwork. If a strong teamwork is working, then better decisions are going to be made. If the better decisions are making, then there is growth and success in the business. Okay, this is the importance of the business management. Next is the management process. What are the management process? First, the main function of the management. These are the main function. First of all, what we do, we plan, then we organize, leading, controlling. These are the four main, you can say, the part or functions of the management. We are going to describe all these four parts individually. Try to understand. We are talking about the management process. We have, first of all, we have to plan. If we want to start a business, we or anyone have to plan, organize, then lead. After that, that is control. Let's see what the planning is. Decide what to do, how, when, and who will do it. Planning, what to do, what we want to do, and if we want to do that, how we want to do that work. If we want to do something, then how we going to do that, when, what, how, when, and who will do it. These are the very important things which we can say that WH. What? Simple. This is you can say that not a WH, but you can say that it's a question word, question mark, a question part. How, when, and who will do it. Set direction for team. If you're planning, so you are setting the direction that we have to work in this way and in that way. Okay, for example, planning a product launch. You are planning a product launch. You want to launch a product in the market, so what to do, how to do, when to do, who will do it. So this is the example you can also add in the you can say that in your paper. Next is organizing. Organizing means arrange people, money, and tools. What you are doing, you are organizing the people, you are organizing the money, you are organizing the tools. Give tasks to the right people. Okay, organizing, you are giving the task, you are arranging. Example, hiring a staff, buying machines. Okay, means you're organizing that. With the help of people, you are with people you are going to hire the staff. Money, you're going to buy the money, you're going to buy the tools means you're going to buy the machineries. Okay, which mean that you are organizing. Third thing is leading, means guide and motivate the team. Leading, we have a single chapter of leadership. Okay, we're going to see in that like guide and motivate the team. Leading means you're guiding, you're motivating. Okay, help people work well together. Okay, example, let's see with example. A manager inspires sales staff, means that manager inspire, what he's doing, he's motivating sales staff to make the sales more, to achieve the target. Okay, what the manager do, manager is leading and inspiring, motivating whom, to whom he manages motivating sales staff, because motivation is very much necessary for the sales staff. Last but not the least, which is the controlling. What it says, check if work is going as planned. Controlling, or you can say that the monitoring. We're going to check if the work is going as planned, according to the plan. Okay, for example, fix problem if needed. While doing the work, maybe their staff can just face any kind of problem, issues. So controlling means if there is a problem, so it should be fixed, it should be resolved. Example, check sales target and act if not meet. We have already discussed a sales example in the previous, which is the leading. Okay, we have already see in the sales example. Okay, means in controlling, what example it's saying, like checking the sales target and act if not meet. Okay, next is who is a manager. There's a big difference between the manager and you can say the leader. Okay, we have already discussed this chapter. We will going to discuss the chapter a single topic of manager. Okay, like a manager, what a manager do, he plans, he organizes, he leads, he controls, and help the business to meet the goals. Okay, what manager do, manager plan. First of all, he make the plan, he organize, he lead, he control. We have already discussed these points in the previous slide. First of all, planning, organizing, leading, controlling, and last what he is going to do, helping the business to meet the goal. Okay, what the main purpose of the manager, help the business to achieve the goal, to achieve the target of the business. Okay, the what managers do. Okay, manager roles. Interpersonal, we have the three type of roles of the manager: interpersonal, informational, decisional. What interpersonal is? Work with the people. Interpersonal means work with the people. The manager is working with the people. Second is informational. What it is, you can also just clear with this word, means manager is sharing the information, share information. Last thing is decisional. What does it mean? The manager make the decision. What the role of the manager? If someone asks, so you can just directly say interpersonal, informational, decisional. In interpersonal, work with the people. Informational, share information. Decisional, make the decision. Okay. Next, we're going to have the levels of management. We have already know that there are certain type of levels. Let's see, we have top level management, we have the middle level management, last we're going to have the lower level management. What a top level means, that we're going to have the top management having CEO or MD, means managing director, means that they are the big decisions maker. All the type of main decisions are taken by these people, top level management. Secondly, we're going to have the middle level, means department heads. What are they? Department heads. What are the manager team? Okay, this. And last, we are having the lower level, means supervisors or daily work. Okay, supervisors, what are they? They are the daily workers. So this is the levels of management. Let's see what the difference between the business versus management. In business we sell goods, service, focus, profit, owners, there are the owners. If we talk about the management, run business properly, focus, planning, people. Okay, managers, they are the managers, mean to say that the management run that business and the business have the management. Okay, business have the management team and management team run the business. Okay, this is a very you can say that like something different I have talked here. Just listen one more time. Business have management and management run the business. Okay, I think I clear this time. Let's move to the next summary of the chapter. What we have discussed in this chapter, we have discussed about the business management, mean plan, organize, lead, control. All businesses need good management. Managers help business succeed. So this is the summary of this chapter that we have discussed in this first chapter. I hope you have learned a lot of new things and a lot of concepts are clear. Inshallah, this is a series of a complete course. Stay connected with me from the first chapter till the last. See you in the next chapter. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care. Bye bye.